Hey everyone, how's it going? Today, let's talk about two space missions that are capturing the world's imagination. China's Chang'e 6 mission, which returned with samples from the far side of the moon, and SpaceX's upcoming mission with the Starship Super Heavy. In an impressive feat, China managed to return with samples from the far side of the moon through the Chang'e 6 mission. But why is this so important? For starters, the far side of the moon, also known as the dark side or far side, is never visible from Earth due to the moon's synchronous rotation. Exploring this region offers a new perspective and the possibility of uncovering secrets that have been hidden for billions of years. The samples brought back by Chang'e 6 are more than just rocks and dust. They represent a time capsule containing crucial information about the moon's formation and evolution. Studying these samples can help us better understand the geological history of the moon and, by extension, our solar system. Additionally, these samples might reveal new insights into the moon's composition, which can be compared with those obtained during the Apollo missions. Launched by the China National Space Administration, CNSA, this mission involved a complex process of landing and sample collection. The probe landed on the far side of the moon, a less explored area, and used a robotic arm to collect samples. These samples were then transferred to an ascent module, which returned to lunar orbit and subsequently brought the precious material back to Earth. The logistics and technology behind this mission are simply extraordinary. To ensure success, the CNSA utilized a combination of advanced technology, meticulous planning, and international collaboration. Direct communication with the far side of the moon is impossible due to the lack of direct line of sight with Earth. Therefore, the CNSA positioned a relay satellite, Queqiao, to facilitate communication between Earth and the probe. For those interested in watching this feat live, the Chang'e 6 mission broadcast is scheduled for July 20th, 2024 at 15 or GMT, 11 hours AM EDT. You can watch the live broadcast on the official CNSA website, as well as on the agency's social media channels like YouTube and Twitter. Additionally, several news platforms specializing in science and technology will cover the event, providing real-time commentary and analysis. The success of the Chang'e 6 mission paves the way for future lunar explorations. China already plans the Chang'e 7 mission, which will seek water and other resources at the moon's south pole, an area of great interest due to the possibility of water ice. These resources could be vital for future manned missions and even the construction of permanent lunar bases. While China is making significant advances in lunar exploration, SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is set to revolutionize space travel with its upcoming mission using the Starship Super Heavy. But what makes this mission so anticipated? The Starship Super Heavy is a fully reusable launch system designed to carry large payloads and passengers to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. This is a crucial step towards making space colonization a reality. The Starship Super Heavy consists of two stages: the Super Heavy booster, responsible for the initial launch, and the Starship, which continues the journey to the final destination. What makes this system unique is that, after each mission, both the booster and the Starship can be recovered, refurbished, and reused, significantly reducing space travel costs. The next SpaceX mission with the Starship Super Heavy is generating enormous excitement. It is set to carry useful payloads to Earth orbit and test the system's return and reuse capabilities. SpaceX has already conducted several successful tests with Starship prototypes, but this will be the first time the complete system is tested in an operational flight. If successful, this mission will pave the way for more ambitious missions, including manned flights to the Moon and Mars. Imagine a fleet of starships transporting supplies, equipment, and even settlers to Mars, establishing the first human base on another planet. The idea of living on another planet might sound like science fiction, but it's becoming increasingly plausible thanks to advancements in space technology. The development of reusable rockets, like the Starship Super Heavy, drastically reduces the cost of space travel, making it more accessible. Progress in space exploration is driven by both collaboration and competition. Nations like the United States, China, Russia, and members of the European Space Agency are all contributing to advancements in space technology. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Boeing are also playing crucial roles. This mix of public and private efforts accelerates innovation and reduces costs. Collaboration between different countries and organizations is particularly evident in projects like the International Space Station, ISS. The ISS serves as a platform for scientific research and technological development, involving astronauts and scientists from around the world. Such international cooperation will be essential for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Technological innovations developed for space missions often have applications here on Earth. For example, advancements in satellite technology have improved global communication, weather forecasting, and environmental monitoring. Medical technologies developed for astronauts have led to improvements in healthcare. The push for sustainable life support systems in space has driven innovations in renewable energy and water purification. One of the most exciting areas of development is in autonomous systems and robotics. These technologies are crucial for exploring distant planets and moons, where direct human control is not possible. The Mars rovers, for instance, are equipped with sophisticated sensors and AI to navigate the Martian terrain and conduct experiments. The lessons learned from these robotic missions will be invaluable for future human explorers. Additionally, the development of advanced propulsion technologies, such as nuclear thermal propulsion and ion drives, could significantly reduce travel time to distant destinations. These advancements would make missions to the outer solar system more viable. Are you excited about these space missions? How about following them closely and learning more about how they are planned and executed? The next SpaceX mission with the Starship Super Heavy will be broadcast live, offering a unique opportunity to see history in the making. The broadcast is scheduled for July 25, 2024, at 14:00 GMT, 10 AM EDT. You can watch the launch live on SpaceX's official website, as well as on their YouTube and Twitter channels. Additionally, several news platforms specializing in science and technology will cover the event, providing real-time commentary and analysis. Many online resources are available for those who wish to learn more about space exploration and even participate in citizen science programs. What do you think about these space missions? Do you believe that one day we might live on another planet? Share your opinions and questions in the comments. If you're curious about any specific aspect of space exploration, feel free to ask. I'm here to help clarify and share this incredible journey with you. See you in the next video.